Starting with f of x in vertex form, write and solve the equation f of x equals 0 using inverse operations. Let's check what our vertex form was. It was x minus 3 squared minus 5. So let's do x minus 3 squared minus 5, 0. Now let's add 5 to both sides. So we get x minus 3 squared equals 5. Let's take the square root. So we get x minus 3 equals plus or minus square root of 5. And then let's add 3 to both sides. Get x equals 3 plus or minus square root of 5. The square root of 5, is about 2.23, which is pretty close to 2.4, not too far off. How do your solutions compare with your estimates of the x-intercepts and the distance from the line of symmetry and the x-intercepts? Well, this right here, that's our line of symmetry. And then this right here, it's pretty close to 2.4, which is what we estimated. It's actually 2.236. So is very close. Square root of 5 is about 2.236, close to 2.4. So the solutions of 0.6 and 5.4 are very close to 3 plus or minus square root 5. And in fact, if we tested it out, 3 plus square root 5, it's me 5.236. If I subtract the square root 5, 0.76. So not too far off by like less than 2/10.